Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your Ashita from my channel Ashita the Related. Today in this video I gonna unbox and review my winter socks. And here is the package. Let me remove this. You'll get pack of 3 from RC Royal Class. And here it's been written as it is worth of 760 rupees, but I got this for below 500 rupees. And the link will be on my description. And it's from RC Royal Class. Quality of the socks is so good. It is made up of woolen, and you can see the very first one. All 3 socks is for women, and the size is of mid calf. What I really liked is the quality of the product was so good. It's best for winter season. It keeps your feet warm. It's best suited for winter season, and the best part is you are getting 3 pairs. And here is my last pair. It is of black color. All 3 socks are too good. And yeah guys, if you want to buy this product, I'll share the link in the description. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Come with my next content soon. Thank you so much friends.